Okay, so I'm recording myself using Flipgrid. So we need to split the screen, so half the screen is your face and half the screen is a whiteboard. So that would be under, I'm sorry, not backdrop, under Effects, Board, Effects, Board. So if I click any one of these boards, I get a little sideboard that I can write on. I think this one looks better for math, or that one, totally up to you. And then I'm going to make sure, again, this slider can make me have less of me or more of me, make sure it's about half and half. And then we're going to click the record button. So part of the assignment is to get your face in it while you're explaining something. So we're going to click the record button. And I'm going to go to Effects, Pen, and write out the equation that Miss Lee gave me. Plus 4 equals, let's go with that. So again, you can change the pen color. So I'm back to pen. I can change the pen color to something brighter or darker. But we're just solving the equation. So I know I need to subtract 4 on both sides. And I'm left with 3x is equal to 9. I divide both sides by 3. I divide both sides by 3. And I'm left with x equals 3. That's how you solve for x. Click Next. If you want to watch it, go ahead and watch it. Otherwise, just click Next. Confirm your photo, or if you want to take a selfie because that one kind of gets you in a funny face, that's fine. And confirm. And confirm. Upload your video. And when you see the lovely congratulations, success, you're done. Then go back to Google Classroom and mark it as done.